Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how make Windows 11 bootable USB on Ubuntu. To start, go to the link we leave you in the video description. Here, select the Windows ISO, next choose the language, and finally click on Download button to start the download. When it finishes, it will open and we can see that it has been downloaded correctly. After this, open Terminal. Here, update Ubuntu, run sudo apt update. Press enter and enter your password. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. After, install the utility, run sudo apt install gparted. Press enter and you need to enter the Y letter to confirm. Now enter at gparted utility, run sudo gparted, press enter. After this, select the USB drive located at the top. After, right-click on the drive and select the Unmount option. The next step to take will be to select the USB. Then from the Device menu, choose the Create Partition Table option. In this window, select the GPT option, press Apply. After that, right-click on the unit and click New. In this window, choose on File System the NTFS option. After, assign a name on label. Press Add. To apply this changes, press on Apply All Operations, click on Apply. Now open Disk from Activities. Here, select the USB drive, click Mount Selected Partition. After this, you must right-click on the ISO image and choose the Open with Disk Image Mounter option. Close a window. Open disk again now, select the ISO image and press Mount Selected Partition. After this, access the content of the Windows ISO image. Select and copy all content. Now open the USB and paste all content here. When you do this, you can use the USB to install Windows 11 from it. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.